Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to go through how to use Happy Scribe to earn money. So Happy Scribe is a platform that offers transcription and subtitling services, and you can earn money by working as a freelancer. And in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to get started. So the first thing to do is to visit the Happy Scribe website and sign up as a freelancer. Then take an assessment test, complete the transcription skills test provided by the Happy Scribe. Then wait for Happy Scribe to review your application and notify by your email. And also, once you're approved, access the available transcription and subtitling job on the platform. Then listening to the audio file and proofread the AI generated transcription for accuracy. Then after that, for subtitling job, ensure the subtitles are synchronized with the audio. Also submit the completed transcription or title file for review. After that, to get paid, you have to receive payment bi-weekly or bank transfer to your local currency. And that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.